Hi and welcome. My name is Arn. I'm at Insight, and today I wanted to share with you where to find the certificates in project areas. As you know, there are some certificates that you can achieve by completing some assignments. So head over to the main menu, North America, and hit Assessments. Inside you'll find 5 predefined work roles, each with a certificate attached to it. Now, in order to unlock and achieve the certificate, you have to complete all the assignments that are listed below each certificate. They're a combination of tests, of games, of learning, of battle room cyber ranges, and of course mission cyber ranges. A great way to keep track on your learning progress inside project areas. Now, another great way to keep track on your learning progress is by keeping an eye on your skill badges. There are 18 skill badges, one representing one area of competence. But in order to benefit fully from the skill badges, keep an eye on the details. Each skill badge comes with a lot of detail as well. So these details can actually be very helpful while you're learning in identifying your weaknesses and strengths, and maybe help you identify areas that probably would deserve some more attention from you as you progress with learning in project areas. So now we know where the certificates are and how to keep track on our learning progress in the platform. I hope you found that useful, and until next time, have fun and game on!